Hello! Me again. Story time. Ang story time lang to. So since nung nag-move kami dito, closer na sa ate, you guys know I go there sometimes for lunch. Recently, I haven't, kasi recently nagta 30 minutes lang kami, hindi 1 hour. Anyways, hindi ko alam, I think magkapareho lang kami ng nagtataon na pareho yung niluluto namin. For example, nung nagpunta ko sa kanila, sabi niya, oh, may ulam sa bahay, come over for lunch. Okay, over. Ako naman nagpunta. Aba, ang leftover, pareho din ng leftover namin sa bahay. So ngayon, di sabi ko, ay, pareho pala tayo ng niluto kagabi. Hindi kain naman ako. Next time ulit. Sabi niya, oh, come over. I have left. Sabi ko naman, pero ako may bao. So, pagdating ko doon, I went to the microwave. In-microwave ko na yung pagkain. And then she was like, oh, may ulam dyan. You can na-hit up. Bukas ko ng kaldero. Aba, walang ya. Pareho pa rin kami na niluto. Chicken adobo. So, I was laughing. She was like, kat katawa. I was like, agpadata niluto, isubalon ko adobo. So, lagi na lang. Other day, we were talking again. Sabi niya, ana ulam yan? And I was like, oh, I'm gonna cook fried chicken for dinner. Si kayo. And she was like, no way. Fried chicken meat la si Dami tonight. I was like, no way. So she sent me a picture. It was fried chicken. Yeah, kasi nag-pork soup nakdikalman, dirabi. She started laughing. Pati siya, pork soup mitlati sindami, dirabi. Ana, ginatawa kami man. She was like, ana si Dam na, no, tagpada si. So